Hello, this is my experience of the Matrix unplugging session where I had numerous seals removed, alien implants, mind programming removed, you name it. So it's a 2-hour session where you lie down and source energy flows through you from the practitioner to you. And in this, I experienced the following. So it felt like slivers of needles coming out of different parts of my body. It's like someone has left a thin needle in you and it's removed. And I felt this in my breast, in my womb, in my finger, toe, and my intestines. And I also felt, now this felt like something a little bit different, like one of the other seals were removed. A large seal, I believe, was removed from the inside of my brain. There were a couple of devices when they were being removed that felt a little bit painful, but not so painful that it was unbearable, and it didn't go on for too long. So, and by the end of the session, by the way, I did kind of fall into a trance-like state. So I wasn't quite awake, but I wasn't quite asleep. And an hour passed just like that. So by the end of the session, I felt like I had been given a massive enema, but I felt thoroughly cleansed, thoroughly cleaned out. My intestines were feeling a little bit sore, but that's just because I'm dealing with some intestinal issues. So they felt a little bit raw. But the following day, the following morning, honestly, I felt so energetic and my insides did not feel as raw. So I definitely felt a lot more healed by then. Now, the integration period of this session is 6 to 8 months. So that's a long time. But the good news is it's a very deep clearing. It's one of the most important sessions that you can have, apart from an entity clearing removal. But this particular session is all about unplugging you more from the false matrix and re-establishing more of your divine blueprint, which is the angelic human blueprint with a fully 12 DNA stranded activated human. So I have received the training to do this session, and I can remove these seals and implants and mind programs. So if you're interested to find out what you might be having in your energy field, and to be fair, 99% of humans who are born on this planet will have these distortions, because a lot of these distortions were put in the earth grid. So anybody being born on the earth will have those distortions. As always, I welcome your comments. Please share, like, subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care for now. Bye.